create an elective. So let me put the data. Please bear with me. So the price is free. You just have to click on add school button. People will see your elective like that and they can join you from here, because you are the admin, so you can add it from here. Now you have to add a new classroom in it. Let's start with this one. So classroom title. So video is uploaded and I will click on add classroom. So first classroom is added, you can see, and in this classroom we have to add a lesson plan. So to create the first lesson plan, I have to click on this button, create first lesson plan, or I can click on this button to add new lesson, whatever you like. So this is lesson over here. So I have to put the lesson title, lesson description, and a feature video for it. Now I will add feature video. I can use YouTube video and put the URL over here, or I can upload a video from my computer. Okay, now I will click on add lesson button. So lesson is added. Now you can see your first lesson over here. When you click on, you can add more lessons into it, and this is your first lesson. If you click on it, you will see. So to save that thing, you have to click on save and publish. You will come to this page. You will see your elective will look like this, and if you click on next, you will see the options. And let's go for the pricing. It's free. You can set the status. So right now it's in the draft. You have to select publish to publish this one, and once you click on the publish, you will see this green button that says saves and publish elective. So you can click on it. Your elective is published. Congratulations. And it will be displayed. If you want to edit that elective, you click on the manage elective. You can still add new classrooms in it, add new lessons in it. Over here, if you want to go to syllabus, so it will take you to, then you can go to class from here. Okay,